Today I'm going to try and cook tempura with air fryer. So this is oil. Spray a little bit of oil on the aluminum foil in the basket so that it doesn't stick. Just a little bit will do. Next, this is the breadcrumbs which I'm using instead of flour, and this is the capsicum chili or lantern chili, and here is the brinjal which I've sliced, and the egg wash. I have used 2 eggs, and this is the breadcrumb which I showed earlier, and the organic black sesame seeds, and this is seaweed, and of course soya sauce. So first you will actually use the brinjal and dip it into the egg wash, which is the egg white and the yolk beaten up and whipped up, and you can use the brinjal and dip it in the egg wash before you try and coat it with the breadcrumbs. So it's good to have a bit of more of breadcrumbs because it gives you a more crunchy taste. That's the bell pepper or the capsicum which I'm also using. Same thing, dip it into the egg wash and the breadcrumbs for that nice crunchy taste and fragrance. This is actually a very simple dish to make with the air fryer. So here's the basket, and here are the brinjals which have been coated with breadcrumbs, which I'm going to put in first so that I can fry the brinjals first, then later on followed by the capsicum. The amount of breadcrumbs is really up to you. I mean, if you prefer the taste to be more crunchy, then you can add in a little bit more. It's up to you. But I just want to cook a little bit so that I can taste the brinjal. Okay, so we're gonna set it on for 4 minutes and for 200 degrees. Okay, go. And this is counting down. There you have it. Now next I'm going to put in the capsicum or the chili, and I'm going to air fry it too, just like the brinjals. I mean, you can put in other vegetables like carrots if you want, lotus roots if you want, so it's really very flexible. But it makes a very nice meal, whether you want lunch or dinner. This is the fried brinjals with breadcrumbs, which I put on top of a layer of seaweed. So now I'm going to put in the capsicum. I'm going to set it for 4 minutes and for 200 degrees and cook. So you can adjust the temperature and the length of time cooking, because if you like it to be a little bit more burnt, you can actually turn it over or put it for a longer time to burn it, so fry it. So it's not really up to you. So I prefer it to be not too air fried, not too much, just a little bit, so I can get the fragrance and the crunchy taste. It's really very simple to make, and you can just use any vegetables that you have in your fridge, just for a very fast and easy meal. Of course, you can top it up with a little bit of wasabi in soy sauce if you like.